Hello everyone, I'm Joseph Yuen, Chairman of the Hong Kong Federation of E-Commerce, HKFEC. Today, I'm honored using AI model to stand before you and celebrate a significant milestone, the HKFEC's 10th anniversary. A decade ago, we saw the immense potential of e-commerce to revolutionize Hong Kong's business landscape. We envisioned a future where businesses of all sizes could thrive in the digital marketplace. Driven by this vision, we embarked on a journey to establish the HKFEC as a leading advocate and resource center for the e-commerce industry. Over the past 10 years, the HKFEC has made significant strides in achieving its goals. We've established ourselves as a trusted voice for the e-commerce industry, and we've played a crucial role in promoting the growth and development of the sector. Here are some of our key accomplishments. First of all, we have organized several hundreds of events and workshops. We've provided a platform for knowledge sharing and networking through workshops, conferences, and other industry events. We then launched the Hong Kong Trust Mark program. This program helps to ensure consumer confidence in online shopping by recognizing reputable e-commerce businesses. Through the successful launch of this program, we brought our industry to become a member of the World Trust Mark Alliance, WTA. This collaboration allows us to provide our members with access to international best practices and resources. And on behalf of HKFEC, I was appointed as the rotating chairman of WTA from 2018 to 2020. In the recent years of the development in Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area, we are one of the closest alliance between Guangdong E-Commerce Association, Guangdong Live Commerce Association, as well as Macau E-Commerce Association, representing Hong Kong e-commerce industry. This alliance put together a lot of business matching and support to our member in the Greater Bay Area. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, together with the rapid development in AI technology, and we at the HKFEC are committed to staying ahead of the curve. We will continue to advocate for policies that support the growth of the e-commerce industry, provide our members with the resources and support they need to succeed in the digital marketplace, foster a collaborative environment where businesses can connect, share knowledge, and innovate. In closing, I want to express my sincere gratitude to all of our members, partners, and supporters who have helped us reach this milestone. Together, we've built a strong foundation for the future of e-commerce in Hong Kong. I look forward to continuing this journey with all of you as we navigate the exciting opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in our next e-commerce event.